It is Sunday. That means that it is Savings Challenge Sunday here on my channel. If you want to see how much I am squirreling away this week towards my saving goals for 2022, stick around and find out. Hello, budget family. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erin and I am documenting my journey to complete debt freedom and financial independence. I am entirely debt free except for my mortgage. Some of the ways I have been going about this has been using a zero-based budget. I am a cash stuffer and I use a cash envelope system. And I also do take part in various savings challenges just to kind of squirrel money away throughout the year that then at the end of the year, I can use that money for either something that I have planned or a purchase, or one never knows. So I have my budget binders here that have my savings challenges in them, and we will go ahead and get started. I don't have too many challenges that I'm doing in December, so we should be pretty quick. And so how is everyone doing today? I think it is less than 1 week away from Christmas now at this point, and so I actually still have quite a lot to do, so I'm actually really quite behind on things. I'm starting with my note challenges. So this binder is all my note challenges every week. If possible, I put aside one note of each denomination, so 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. I am still doing my fives challenge as well. I'm just not counting them up. I'm not putting them into an envelope this year. I'm just dropping them all into a jar. But so yeah, another 5 going into the stack here. Let's put those in alphabetical order. Not that it matters, but it's kind of fun to do. So over 50 weeks, so I give myself 2 weeks kind of break. I will have $250 that I have saved for the year. But yeah, are you ready for Christmas? If you celebrate Christmas, do you have all of your shopping done, everything wrapped, all the items purchased and ready for cooking if you are doing that? Because I'm a little bit behind on some things. Adding a $10 note as well. Pretty much all shopping is done. I just need to finish picking up the food products and food items. We're not doing too much in terms of cooking this year, so just our standard Christmas meal, which is a standing rib roast, aka prime rib, and a Cabernet Jus that is also made with rosemary and portobello mushrooms. It's something that my husband and I have been doing for, I want to say probably about 15 years now, ever since we started doing that as compared to, like a turkey and such, and then other traditional type Australian fare. So of course you have to have prawns, or is it, really an Aussie Christmas if you do not have your Aussie prawns. So those will get picked up on Christmas Eve straight from the trawler. $20 going into the $20 challenge. It's been really interesting. One of the things I loved when moving here to Australia was learning about the different ways that and different foods that are utilized in celebrations here as well. So we have 20, 40, 60. Again, if I do 50 20s, I will have $1,000 at the end of the year. And these trackers and envelopes I made myself. So the trackers are available as a printable on my Etsy shop. I do also sell the envelopes with the laminated trackers if you are in Australia and looking for something like that. So let me know and let other people know in the comments below what some of your traditional Christmas foods are, particularly if it's something that is maybe a little bit out of the norm, particularly desserts. I'm not a dessert person, so we don't really do a dessert here, and I have so many different food restrictions and such anyways that I wouldn't really be able to eat much in there. But share that down below what some of your traditional Christmas foods are, what your favorite ones are as well. So 150 already put aside in $50 notes, and I do also have a $100 note going in as well. So that's 3 weeks in a row that I was able to do that. And the only reason that I've been able to do that is because I don't really have many other savings challenges going on this month. I like to kind of do a reset in December as I get ready for the new year, and then it all starts back up again. So $300. If I manage to pull this one off, though, I'll have $5,000 at the end of the year. We will see how we go, because things are definitely going to be quite different in the new year. But those are all of my 1 per week of each type notes going there. And how about you? Have you selected your challenges if you are doing them for 2022? Have you been working on your goals? I finally sat down with Gare and we figured out our financial goals and our budget for the new year and everything. So now it's going to be a matter of just getting some implementation going on that. A lot of exciting things I'm looking forward to. For my 26-week challenge, I believe, so I started this one in August. Got $35 for this one. My little catacorn. I'll let that dry a little bit while I grab 20, 30, and 5. This will go into my 26 week, and it's not so much that I was trying to get this done in a straight 26 weeks. It just kind of worked out that way, but just over the course of 26 different time points, I choose a number and I put that away. So I now have 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, so 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, so 855. Getting very close to the end on this one, and then this will go towards the garage expenses because we just about have everything put there, but that really is our priority. And then my Boxing Day challenge, that is getting $10. But actually what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up, because as I said, Christmas is just next week. Boxing Day is the day after Christmas. So the day I would be stuffing that last one is actually the day that all of the sales will be happening. So I'm just going to grab an extra 5 out of my $5 jar. So 5 and 10, and that completes the Boxing Day challenge. So we should have 500. We should have $500 here. Let us see how we are sitting. So 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, $500. So we can call this one complete. And if I were to add this in then to what we had saved before, that takes us well and truly over $4,500 that was saved in 2021. So I will go ahead and pop that one out of there. This poor little challenge binder she's almost done. As I said, I have some ideas for new styles that I want to use. For that, I'm not putting anything in my summer 13-week challenge. I have $40 in there, so 20 from the previous 2 weeks. So no little ray of sunshine this week, just because I didn't really have anything to set aside that was extra out of the budget. So those are all of the physical challenges that I am doing. And it's really nice to be able to tick another one, tick the box off that I have completed it. It's always nice when you complete something that you set out to do. Set that there. And then one other challenge that I'm doing, and I don't have it in paper form, I'm doing it digitally, and that is the $1 a day investing challenge of Mommy Traders. I am just doing that online. I decided actually where I'm going to take that money is going to come from my roundup challenge. So all of my purchases that I make that are online, I round that money up to the nearest $5 or $10. And so I'm looking at getting about $4, aiming for $4 per day. So I'll be putting $28 aside, and then that is going to go to my dividend investing. So for the investing challenge of those, that is entirely with dividend stocks. So I'm looking more at a higher dividend yield as compared to my regular investing accounts, which are pretty much all growth stocks. There's some dividend stocks in there, obviously, because they're ETFs, but those really focus on growth. And with the dollar a day challenge, it is focusing on dividend and dividend yields and dividend returns and reinvesting those dividends as well. So I'll be tracking that all throughout the year. I talk about it more in my financial goals video, which obviously is not out yet, but you probably hear one of my dogs barking, and that is basically him telling me to finish up what I'm doing and come and give him some attention. The one more week left of savings challenges, and then we jump into the new year, where I will be introducing 3 additional savings challenges that I am going to be taking part in for all of 2022. Plus, I'm going to start up the Budget Mom Savings Challenges as well. So we'll see what we're going to be starting off with in January for that. If you are taking part in any of these savings challenges, or if you're doing the Budget Mom Savings Challenges, if you started looking ahead at what you're doing for 2021 and you want to share that down below, I would absolutely love to hear what challenges you are doing. Not that I am looking for any more. I have a tendency to try to do too many. I'm actually trying to scale back what I am, because I have other goals that I want to accomplish, and money doesn't grow on trees, and I only have so many hours within the day. But let me know down in the comments below, and we can have a discussion around that. If you are doing the investing challenge, are you doing growth stocks? Are you doing dividend stocks? Are you doing a combination? Are you not sure whether they're a growth or a dividend stock at all? Let me know, and that might be something that we can chat about too. Anywho, if you did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up. I do wish each and every one of you an exceptionally blessed holiday season, and that you enjoy the season as much as you possibly can, with as much joy and happiness as your heart can handle. Do remember to choose kindness, show gratitude, always keep a positive mindset, and I will see you in the next video.